Okay, so our first drill, you're going to set up about 2 to 3 feet off of a wall. You're going to be standing tall the whole time so that your hips are extended, straight line from the ankles up through the hips and the shoulders. You're going to just lean into the wall, practicing leaning from the ankles rather than the hips. Notice that Ryan's hips stay extended. Good posture the whole time. Falling from the ankles. Okay, our next drill is just going to be a bounce on the balls of the feet. Arms are up at the sides. We're just trying to see how much forward lean we need for gravity to help us move forward. Trying to keep those hips extended the whole time, staying soft on the balls of the feet, knees slightly bent. Next drill we have will be leaning into the wall in our forward lean position, pulling each foot off of the ground as fast as we can. Notice that the knee comes slightly forward. Foot should be tracking up directly towards the butt, initiating the movement from the hamstring. And we'll switch sides. Getting comfortable pulling those feet up, keeping the feet relaxed, ankles relaxed, hips extended. Next drill we'll be doing the exact same movement. We're just going to pick up the pace, alternating between the feet. Next drill, we're going to be moving forward, changing support between the feet, driving the right foot up for 5 repetitions every few steps, and then switching to the left. Just getting used to pulling those feet fast off the ground. Next drill, and this is one that you're going to use a lot, is doing butt kickers. They're modified just the way we did them on the wall. And we can go up and back a few times using these. This is a great way to warm up for some pulling. This next one's a fun one. We call this one the Charlie's Angels drill. We're reaching out with both hands in front, making a sight. We're going to lean forward and do our butt kicker drill, trying to keep the arms as steady as possible. Next drill is a modified karaoke with a sprint out. Ryan's going to go karaoke for about 5 steps and then sprint it out. And in the opposite direction. Our final drill requires a partner. You're going to be leaning into the partner's hand while they take your weight, pumping those butt kickers as hard and as fast as you can, leaning, 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 and then letting it rip.